Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Putri Aprilia Rahayu, final number study 035. I will present a comparison of China and Malaysia in international business negotiation. Article summary. China and Malaysia have established bilateral relations for the past 4 decades. The strong bilateral relationship has helped create cooperation between the two countries in various sectors. Moreover, the benefits of China's One Belt One Road have provided many opportunities to open new markets and investment prospects between the two countries. When the two countries have more and more collaboration, negotiators play an important role to prevent misunderstandings and conflicts between the two sides, especially during the process of bilateral relation and business negotiation. The interdependent construction of the self is defined in terms of relationship with other people. As such, this study helps to address this gap and contribute to a better understanding of how China's Malaysian business negotiator communicate and negotiate in a cross-cultural business environment. Hypothesis development. Number 1. The relationship between cultural dimension and interdependent self-construction. The study of culture and the interdependent self has renovated and broadened cross-cultural communication understanding of the interdependent self of cultural and made it a counterpart for analyzing the communication behavior of business negotiator in international business negotiation. Number 2. Relationship between cultural dimension and interaction goals. The purpose of interaction is defined as the ability to engage in action, thinking, or behaving in a certain way with other people, which will also influence the attitude of behavior of the other party. Therefore, negotiation must learn cooperative behavior to produce positive outcomes when people enter negotiation. Number 3. Interdependent self-postural as mediation. The hypothesis proposed in this study indicates that high relationship quality in the interdependence of self-understanding in the negotiator also tends to reflect the quality of communication and interaction goals. Relations between negotiation are enhanced through interdependent interaction and relationship in which both parties share their feelings regard the work environment, personal life, and sensitive information. The interdependent self-construction was defined as an important determinant of interaction goals because it served as a significant predictor as suggested in cross-cultural communication styles. Methodology. The participants in this study were Chinese and Malaysian business negotiators involved in China-Malaysia business. All participants have more than 1 year's experience in international business negotiation in China and Malaysia. The selection rules are intended to ensure business negotiators are sufficiently familiar with business negotiation. The questionnaire was conducted by sending an email or via WeChat to participants based in China. Of the 100 questionnaires distributed, 30 Chinese and 38 Malaysian questionnaires were returned with a response rate of 68%. In a sample of 68 participants, there were 69.12% males and for than 96% females. Approximately 82.35% of participants have experience in business negotiation from 1 to 10 years. 13.26% from 12 to 20 years and 1.47% from 21 to 30 years. Result and discussion. Correlation analysis is used to understanding the nature of the relationship between two individual variables. The result of the study show in table 8 that there is a positive relationship between variable cultural norms, interdependent self-cultural, and interaction goals. The Bayesian correlation in SPSS has shown that there is a significant relationship between cultural norms and interdependent self-construction. Cultural norms and interaction goals and interdependent self-construction with interaction goals. Therefore, the result of the current study suggests that interdependent self-interpretation mediates the relationship between cultural norms and interaction goals. By achieving the goal of positive interaction, it helps to build business relations, business opportunities, and more collaboration between China and Malaysia business negotiation. The researcher writes an article about business negotiation between China and Malaysia. Fish and China has become an increasingly important factor for the world's economy and growth. It has attracted many foreign companies to collaborate with them. Second, this finding provides important implication of the interdependent effects of self-construction on the purpose of the interaction. Three, the relation between the purpose of the interaction and the outcome of the negotiation has been highlighted, but there has been little attention directed to the outcome of the negotiation between two business negotiators from collective states. Thus, this investigation shows that in China's and Malaysian business negotiation, the relation between cultural norm and measured by the global model and interaction goals influenced by self-control, which is interdependent between the two parties. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.